Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P30 Pro, and I will show you how you can take a screenshot without using physical keys. We got the two methods. The first one, you have to open notification panel and then find screenshot icon. When you tap on it once, the screenshot will be taken. As you can see, that's very simple. We got also another method, and it's called the gesture screenshot. So you have to go to the accessibility features, find shortcuts and gestures, and then go for the take screenshot. Right now, when you activate this option and take a look on this small tutorial, you can take full screenshot, partial screenshot, or scroll screenshot. So let's take the screenshot normal. So we have to use our knuckle. Oh, let's try again. As you can see, there it is. When you type, oh, let's make it another time. So when we make something like that, we can take only the partial screenshot. Of course, we can resize the screenshot and tap save to the right upper corner to make it happen. And we can also type S and get the scroll screenshot. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.